Do you know you can get 50 gigabytes of data free of charge from MTN? So this is coming directly from MTN. I don't need to download any third-party app for you to get access to this. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step how to get your free data from MTN. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any of these important steps on how to go about this. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome on this channel. I teach you the method that you can work from home and make passive income online. If they're interested, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. So that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. So let's dive straight into the video. To get your 50 gigabyte data from MTN, first you need to download and install the app on your phone. So go to my Google Play Store or App Store, then search for My MTN App. Download and install it on your phone. Then after you have installed it on your phone, so you click on Open. So I've already installed it on my phone, so I will click on Open. So it's going to take you to this interface. So you click on Let's Get Started. So you're going to sign up with your Google account. So you click on Continue with Google account. So it's going to show you your different Google account, that's your different email. So you choose the one that you want to use to sign up. Then you're going to click on Continue. Then you're going to click on Agreed. Then you're going to click on Continue again. Click on Continue again. So I'll finally log into this app. So it will log you directly into this app automatically. Now the next thing is for you to log out of this app and log in back again. So you're going to click on More to log out. Click on Log Out. So next you are going to sign back into this app. Now this next step is very important, so make sure that you follow this step. So you're going to log in back with your phone number, not your email. So make sure that you don't miss this step. So you're going to click on Continue with your number. Then you're going to enter your MTN number. So after you have entered your phone number, then you're going to click on Continue. Then it's going to bring you to this next interface. So they're going to send an OTP to your number. So enter the OTP that they sent to that your number. Then you click on Verify the OTP. Then you click on Agreed. So you click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Click on I will do that later. Then click on Next. Click on Next again. Congratulations, you have the offer 50 gigabyte free data to download for downloading My MTN app. Click to activate. So you're going to click to activate now. Congratulations, you can now enjoy your 50 gigabyte of data, which expires today by 9:59 p.m. So this is how you can get your 50 gigabyte of data free of charge from MTN that can use to browse anything on the internet. But this is only available for first time user. If you are using the app for the first time, that's when you can get access to this. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video, also drop a comment at the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do it to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. So if you want to get access to other code to get data very cheaper from other networks like MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9 Mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen. Now you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.